In the name of Jesus, thy we shall be our.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I want to talk about a pressing topic that many of us have faced in the recent times: finding a high-paying job during a crisis. But maybe we will be discussing how to find a high-paying job during a crisis. We all know that during crisis, corporations are often hesitant to hire new employees, and even when they do, they might not offer the kind of pay we deserve. Additionally, the competition for those few available positions is intense. So what can we do to secure a high-paying job during these challenging times? One viable option is to consider working as a contractor. As a contractor, yes, let me repeat, you have the flexibility to offer your services on a per project basis. This approach has its advantages, particularly during the crisis. Companies are eager to cut expenses, and hiring contractors can be a cost-effective alternative to taking on full-time employees with benefits and additional obligations. Approaching corporations as a small business can give you a significant advantage. They are more likely to hire your services for specific projects, especially if they see that you can provide the expertise, the kind of expertise they need without the overhead of a full-time employee. This approach allows you to showcase your skills, build your portfolio, and potentially earn a higher income compared to a traditional employee. But let's think outside the box for a second. What if you want to be truly independent and work without a boss? Trading stocks, trading cryptocurrencies, whether it's in stocks or cryptocurrencies, can be a lucrative option. During a crisis, markets can become more predictable and chart patterns may become easier to read. If you have the knowledge of skills, double down. Trading can offer you a path to financial stability. But what if you don't know how to trade? For those who aren't experienced in trading, there are tools available that can assist you. One example is the 1000X indicator. It is a paid tool. $55 per month. It is a paid tool that can help guide your trading decisions, providing insights and signals to make the process easier and potentially more profitable. The key to success during the crisis is to generate positive thoughts and remain adaptable. Challenges can open doors to new opportunities, so embrace change. Be resourceful and be willing to take calculated risks. Whether you choose to become a contractor or explore trading, remember that your mindset plays a crucial role in your success. In conclusion, let me summarize everything. Finding a high-paying job during a crisis may seem daunting, but it's not impossible. Think like a small business. Consider becoming a contractor or explore unconventional paths like trading. By staying positive, adaptable, and proactive, you can position yourself for success even in the most challenging times. Thank you.
In the name of Jesus, thy we shall be our.